How to reset the password of Royal Bank of Canada. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have forgotten your Royal Bank of Canada password and want to reset it, here is the process. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and go to Royal Bank of Canada. Tapping on it, you'll land to this page. Tap on top right corner for the sign in button. This will now take you to the sign in portal. First and foremost, you need to provide your client card or the username. Tap the correct username and then tap on next, which will now take you to another page where is your password. Hereby, if you remember your password, you can tap in and log in. However, if you do not, you can recover your password. For this, you'll have to press on reset the password, provide the client card number or username and tap on continue. Next up, you have to provide your last name and residential postal code and tap on continue. This will again verify your identity using other credentials and details. And once all of them is confirmed, you can reset your password and log in again. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.